Imagine standing beside a waterfall, cool mist on your skin, the roar of water in your ears. And behind that curtain of water, a small, unwavering flame burns. Fire and water, two opposites, coexisting in a mesmerizing dance. This is the eternal flame falls. Tucked away in a quiet corner of the world, this real-life wonder defies expectations. The flame, no bigger than a hand, glows warmly behind the cascade, undisturbed by the water that surrounds it. It's a living paradox, a reminder that nature still holds secrets. To witness it is to feel awe. A silent flame, a roaring waterfall, and the mystery of how such a thing can exist. How can fire persist in the heart of a waterfall? The answer is a fascinating story of geology and time. The eternal flame is a window into Earth's ancient, hidden processes, waiting to be discovered. You don't need to trek through remote wilderness to find this marvel. It's in Chestnut Ridge Park, near Buffalo, New York. A gentle trail leads you through rolling hills and dense woods, down into a shaded gorge. The waterfall itself is modest, about 30 feet high, its flow changing with the seasons. In spring, the torrent nearly hides the flame. In summer, the water trickles, revealing the fire's glow. The journey is part of the magic. Cooler air, the sound of water, anticipation building as you approach. Suddenly you round a bend, and there it is, a flame burning in a rocky alcove behind the falls. The dark shale contrasts with the golden fire, making the sight even more surreal. This isn't a grand spectacle, but a quiet, intimate wonder. Visitors often sit, mesmerized, soaking in the peace and the improbable beauty of fire and water together. The eternal flame's accessibility makes its magic feel like a secret gift from nature. So, how does this flame survive? The secret lies in the geology beneath your feet. Natural gas, mostly methane with traces of ethane and propane, seeps up through cracks in the shale rock. The alcove shelters the gas vent from the water, allowing the flame to burn steadily. The gas has likely been escaping here for centuries, maybe millennia. The flame itself isn't ancient. It was probably lit by a visitor, and hikers still relight it if it goes out. This tradition connects people to the wonder, making them caretakers of the flame. It's a delicate balance. Earth provides the fuel, water the stage, and humans the spark. The eternal flame is a collaboration between geology and curiosity. To understand the flame's origins, we travel back 400 million years to the Devonian period, when this land was a shallow sea. Layers of dead marine life settled, compressed, and transformed into hydrocarbons within shale rock. The Rhine Street Shale beneath the falls is rich in this ancient gas, trapped for eons. Tectonic shifts cracked the rock, creating pathways for the gas to escape. The flame is the final chapter of a story that began with ancient sunlight and sea life. Each flicker is a release of energy from a primordial world. The ground beneath us is alive with history, and the flame is its messenger. When you see it, you're witnessing the end of a journey that started hundreds of millions of years ago. It's a tiny beacon powered by Earth's deep memory. The eternal flame isn't just a curiosity, it's a scientific mystery. Normally, shale needs intense heat to produce gas, but the Rhine Street Shale here is relatively cool. So where does the gas come from? Scientists believe it migrates from deeper, hotter layers through a network of tiny fractures. This unique geology creates a natural plumbing system for the gas to reach the surface. The unusual chemical makeup of the gas supports this theory, but questions remain. The falls are a living laboratory, challenging our understanding of geology. Every sample and study adds to the puzzle, reminding us that nature's secrets are never fully solved. The flame is both a clue and a challenge, urging us to keep exploring. Long before scientists, the Seneca Nation called this land home, and natural wonders like the eternal flame were sacred. A fire that resists water would have been seen as a spiritual sign, a link to the Earth's creative forces. It's easy to imagine ceremonies and offerings at this site, the flame a symbol of resilience and guidance. Today, visitors from around the world come to witness the flame, leaving messages of awe and gratitude. The site remains a place of reflection and wonder, a modern-day shrine. The flame connects us to those who stood here centuries ago, sharing the same sense of awe. Its magic transcends time and culture, speaking to something universal in us all. The legends may fade, but the power of the place endures. The eternal flame falls is more than a geological oddity. It's a symbol of Earth's hidden wonders. In a world that feels mapped and measured, this flame reminds us that mystery still thrives. Nature's surprises are everywhere, waiting in quiet corners for curious eyes. The flame is proof of the planet's creativity, a product of ancient cycles and chance. Standing there, you feel the connection: fire, water, rock, and light, all in harmony. Let the story of the eternal flame inspire you to seek out magic in your own world. Our planet is a treasure chest of wonders, big and small. The eternal flame is a shining jewel, a reminder that there's always more to discover.